y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with an old series. This is a series that I used to do a long time ago on my channel. I never had a name for it, but basically I would come on here and I would try out different deep conditioners and hair masks and give you guys my first impressions. So I've decided to bring it back, but this time I have a name for it. I'm gonna call this series Condition With Me, okay? So every time you see hashtag Condition With Me, just know that I'm going to be trying out a different deep conditioner and giving you guys my first impressions. So today I'm going to be trying out the Palmer's Coconut Oil 2-Step Hair Mask, and I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can get a closer up view of it, because I already know my camera is not going to focus and I don't have time for it. So yeah, so this product is supposed to lock in moisture for long-lasting results. This is for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. And like I said, it's a 2-step hair mask. So step 1 is supposed to restore shine and deep condition, and step 2 is supposed to seal cuticle. My very first impressions is the amount of product. I don't feel like it's enough product in here for my hair. I kind of wish that I would have got 2, but maybe a little bit goes a long way. I'm hoping so. Go ahead and wash my hair, y'all. Come back, apply this, give y'all my first impressions. So stay tuned. I just got done washing my hair, so now I'm gonna take this down. So a little hair update. Y'all know I'm transitioning to natural hair. I am officially 8 months post relaxer, y'all. I feel like I will be completely natural sometime next year, either mid or towards the end of 2021, okay? So I'm really excited for that, but I just want to give y'all a little update. Yes, I have a lot of thickness going on up here. All of that is new growth. Anyways, so I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. So according to the directions, I have to apply step 1 first and then apply step 2 and keep this on for 5 minutes and then rinse out. So of course I'm not going to leave this on for 5 minutes. I'm probably going to leave this on for about 20 to 25 minutes. I would leave it on longer, but y'all, it's late and I am tired. Y'all probably can tell. So first impressions, it smells like coconuts. A little fun fact about me, I like the smell of coconut, but I don't eat coconut. I don't eat anything with coconut in it. So the texture of the hair mask, it's not a thick texture. It's very creamy though, which I really do like. And my hair instantly soaks this up, so that's a really good thing. Trying to use this very wisely because, like I said, it's not a lot of product in here. This hair mask says that there's no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no dyes. So if you are picky with your ingredients, it doesn't have those things in it. Mineral oil used to be something that I stayed away from, but I've learned to not be so picky with my ingredients, because I used to put a relaxer on my hair, a whole chemical, and I'm over here talking about no mineral oil, no petroleum, no this, no that, and putting a whole chemical on my hair. Okay, so now that I applied step 1, I actually was able to get all of the hair mask in my hair without running out of product. So now we're going to use step 2. So the step 2, this is supposed to seal the cuticle. Let's see. It smells the same. It looks the same. That's a little strange. I thought that this probably would have been, I'm not gonna lie, I really thought that the step 2 was gonna be like an oil or something, because it said that it seals cuticle, but it looks the same as step 1. So I applied step 1 and step 2 throughout my hair. I got my shower cap on, and now I'm about to sit under this for 25 minutes On to the first impressions. So like I mentioned earlier, the product smelled really good. It smells like coconut. The consistency was really good. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Before I rinsed out the hair mask, my hair was extremely soft. However, when I rinsed it out, I don't know, I didn't really feel any moisture, any slip, nothing like that. I want to say that this product is protein based. It doesn't say that on the package, but I'm just going to assume that just because of how it reacted with my hair. Another thing that I did not like was the step 2. So that's supposed to seal the cuticle, which I guess it did what it was supposed to do. But it was kind of weird because after I constantly rinsed out my hair, it still felt like something was coating my hair. So maybe that's what it's supposed to do. It was just a weird feeling. I don't really like that. Like I said, maybe that's what it's supposed to do. So be aware of that when you use this product. It's gonna constantly feel like something is in your hair even though you rinsed it out so many times. So overall, I felt like the hair mask was okay. Will I repurchase it? No. That's pretty much my opinion on the hair mask. It was okay. It just didn't work for my hair. You know, it probably will work better on your hair. If you have tried this product out, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.